Good day, everybody. Now, I will be starting with number theory to be dealing questions connected with number theory from the problem solving aspect. So, what I mean problem solving aspect is things that you really need to succeed in the real-time environment. So, it is not abstract but application-oriented number theory. So that is the objective for my sessions from here on. And after which I will move on slowly to graph theory. Again, it would be focused on application side, and then combinatorics. And as always, all the topics would be dealt from application point of view, not merely giving you theory. Okay, so having mentioned that, this is the question. You can take 3 minutes to write the required algorithm and then give the solution. So the question is as follows. Obtain the number 24 using 1, 3, 4 and 6 only once. You can use basic math operators plus, minus, multiplication and division twice. So these numbers have to be used only once, but the mathematical operators can be used twice. And this is your challenge. So I've given you the requirements. The requirement is you need to obtain the number 24, and the tools that you can use are these. These are the only numbers you can use, and only once you are permitted to use. You can use basic mathematical operators of plus, minus, multiplication and division. So you got 3 minutes time to think about this. Now, questions such as these keep occurring in competitive examinations, and not only that, if you are getting into competitive coding, you need to develop greater insight into topics such as these and also in problem solving. And you can check many of these competitive sites which are offering competitive programming challenges. Whatever I do is directly connected with that. You can go and check it out and validate my information. So I hope you have paused the session. You can pause the session and go on to try these questions, and make sure that you're making an honest attempt. So your attempt should be an honest attempt at getting this particular value, right? So if you have done that, then you can give a tap on your shoulders. Okay, so without further ado, I hope you have got it. If you're not got it, maybe you can spend 2 more minutes in getting the solution. If not, you can watch this and then you can train yourself again with the same set of questions. Okay, so let me do this. Let me give you the solution for this question. Obtain the number 24. So we are expected to get the number 24 using the numbers 1, 3, 4 and 6. Now you would have studied the famous geometrical progression or geometric series. And the geometric series sum is given by a over 1 negative r, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio. Right? So what is the question wants? The question is asking you the sum. The sum is this. So you need to produce that sum. Now clearly you can see all of the geometric operations that you can look or you can see here is actually represented here. All of these operations. Now suddenly someone might say that, oh, the addition operator is not referred to. Now the one as an addition operator before, a as an addition operator before. right? Division is not represented. Well, this is the division operator. And multiplication operator, you're going to see how the multiplication operator is being represented. So indirectly what they are asking you to get a sum. And this is the formula that we need to use. So what I wish to do is, I would like to give the solution as follows. So we are expected to utilize 1, 3, 4 and 6. So I'll start with 6. So this would mean the first term is 6 and the common ratio is to be placed. So what should be the common ratio? Can you make a guess? Can you think about that? What should be the common ratio? Well, I am going to place the common ratio as 3 over 4. So this is equal to 6 over, LCM is 4, so this is going to be 4 negative 3, so this is equal to 6 over 1 over 4. If you were to flip this, this is going to be equal to 4 over 1 multiplied with 6. You see that product? Product sign has already come here. 6 times 4 gives you 24, and 24 is equal to 24. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is the representation that would give us the number 24. This is a lovely question. It is not only lovely, but anyone can actually make an attempt. Even a grade 3 student. Of course, the grade 3 student would not have been exposed to this all important GP, but they are very well aware of multiplication, addition, division, also ratios, right? So it is imperative to understand that no matter what eye-level mathematics we do, all of these eye-level mathematics, they only use mathematics that we are being very well aware of, right? But of course, there is the other side of competitive programming or competitive mathematics, or places where we would use greater level of intensity mathematics, which the universities should cover. The education that you get in the university should be sufficient enough to help you do that. Well, having mentioned that, let me wrap this video up and go to the next question. Thank you.